Hi, Tracy Hugelmeyer here with VintagepreneurUniversity.com, where I help vintage sellers start, grow, and scale their business on Etsy. I also own my own vintage business, Rustic Guy, that I've had on Etsy since 2013. Welcome to another episode of Motivational Monday, where we talk about all kinds of things to give you the motivation you need to kick butt in your vintage business. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of doing something to take care of yourself. The first thing I want to say is this. This video in no way is to make you feel bad about yourself in any way. Quite the contrary. It's about recognizing the things that you are doing to take care of yourself and feeling proud about that, and to set goals for yourself and make the commitment to yourself to do the things that you need to do to take care of yourself. Because if you're not taken care of, not only are you not going to be the best you and be able to give the best you to the people in your life, but you're not going to be able to take care of the things that you need to in your business to make it successful. You might get away with not taking care of yourself for a while, right? But eventually that's going to catch up with you. So first things first, what are you doing in your life right now that's taking care of you that you can be proud of yourself for? And I know you can think of one thing that fits this category. For me, and it can be big or small, there's no right or wrong answer here. But for me, something that I'm feeling really proud about lately that I've been doing to take care of myself is I've been getting back into weightlifting, which might sound a little funny to a lot of people, but here's the thing. It's something that is available and accessible to me, and I have the guidance I need because it's something that my husband is really into. We have a whole setup in our garage. So there's been different times in my life that, or I shouldn't say in my life, but within the last couple of years that I have embraced weightlifting in my life, and then I always let it go. I always, I get sick or we go on vacation or something, and then it's all it takes is this tiny little thing and it gets me completely off track. But what I've learned is that I have to pick myself up and do it again if I'm going to be taking care of me. So I am back on track, and it's been a couple months now. And what I've been doing lately, probably for the last 2 to 3 weeks, is an every other day schedule. It's easy for me to keep on track if I keep myself on a schedule like that, rather than not having anything set in stone and just kind of getting to it every couple of days or whatever the case. I know, okay, it's an off day, it's an on day, it's an off day, it's an on day. And so far that's going pretty well for me. The next thing is, what is something that you can do that's not too complicated, but something that you can make a commitment to yourself today and get it accomplished in the next 2 or 3 days? It can be something big, it can be something little. It could be getting it completely done or just getting on track to do it or scheduling it out. What is something that you can do to commit to yourself that is going to take care of you and make you a better you so that you can be there for your friends and your family and your business? So I thought about this one for a while, and there's a lot of things that I could put in this little box, but the one that I am going to commit to right now today is I've been putting off making a doctor appointment for myself. I get my kids to their appointments all the time, but I need to make myself an appointment just for a routine, some routine things, and it's something I've been putting off for a good part of the year. So I'm making a commitment to you and to myself that when I'm done making this video today, I'm going to schedule that appointment. And I hope that there's something in your life that you're going to make a commitment to yourself to do so that you can be the best and healthiest you and set yourself up for the best success in your life and in your business. So I know this video is a little bit different than my regular topics where I teach how to sell vintage on Etsy, but there's all kinds of pieces of the puzzle that go into that, right? And this is one of them. And if you would like to sign up to get my secret tips and tricks just for you as my YouTube listener, you can go to VintagepreneurUniversity.com/secret. I'll link to that below for you in the description as well. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and click the little bell too so that you get notified whenever a new video comes out. Hope to see you next week at our next Motivational Monday. Thank you so much for joining me today, and have a really great rest of your day. Bye.